Restore is an excellent solution to many iPhone system problems. Just doing a restore can solve many iPhone. In the next section, you will preview what happens when you restore your iPhone. Follow the guide in this video to restore your iPhone safely and easily. Part 1. What happens if I restore my iPhone? Launch iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to it. Select Summary from the left column. In the right window, select Backup Now. Part 2. How to restore iPhone from your backup files. 1. Restore from iTunes Backup directly. Log into iTunes on your Mac or PC. Connect your iPhone and click its icon in iTunes. Choose the backup file you want. Click Restore to begin the process. 2. Restore from iCloud Backup directly. Go to Settings, General Reset on your iPhone. Choose Erase All Content and Settings. Follow prompts to access applications and data. Select Restore from iCloud Backup. Log into iCloud and choose the backup. Finally, select Restore. 3. Restore from iTunes or iCloud Backup selectively. You need a more effective data recovery method if you're concerned about data loss. Mobican Doctor for iOS is a great iOS recovery tool that will help you better manage the recovery process. How to restore iPhone from iTunes Backup using Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Install and open the iOS Data Recovery Program. Choose Recover from iTunes Backup file and select a backup. Click Start Scan. Step 2. Select the file types and click Start Scan. Preview the iTunes Backup content. Step 3. Check the files you need. Click Recover to Computer to start the recovery process. How to restore iPhone from iCloud Backup using Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Choose the Recover from iCloud tab from the recovery options on the left sidebar. Log in with your iCloud account and password. Step 2. All of the files that have been synchronized to your iCloud account will be visible. After you log in successfully, select the data types you want to restore and click Next. Then, all your iCloud synchronized files will begin to download. Step 3. You may preview every piece of data in the iCloud sync file. After choosing the files you wish to recover, simply click Recover to Computer to save them to your computer.